UFO High Bay Lights. Powerful and efficient lighting. UFO High Bay Lights are modern LED fixtures designed for large indoor spaces with high ceilings. Their unique circular, low-profile design ensures wide and even light distribution, eliminating dark spots in areas like warehouses, factories, and distribution centers. The key benefits of these lights include significant energy savings. LED technology cuts down on electricity bills. Excellent heat dissipation. The UFO design helps maintain a cool temperature, extending the light's lifespan. Durability. They are robust and often come with high IP ratings, suitable for demanding environments. By switching to UFO High Bay Lights, you get superior brightness and lower long-term costs. We accept custom orders for all types of industrial and commercial lights. Let us create the perfect lighting solution for your needs.